Allguard Roofing are one of the most trusted and reliable roofing contractors in Dublin. We are genuinely established since 1970. We pride ourselves on providing our expert quality, affordable roofing service for all our customers. At Allguard Roofing, we have built our family business around a long-established reputation that spans back 50 years in the roofing trade. We provide and offer a wide range of all aspects of roofing services and an excellent customer after-sales service. We are a roofing business of dedicated professionals working to deliver excellent roofing results for our customers' total satisfaction. At Allguard Roofing, we firmly believe what makes us more skilled than our competitors is the fact that all our experienced qualified roofers are highly skilled to a standard unmatched in the roofing industry. For 50 years, we have been providing roofing to the highest quality standard all over Dublin city and county. Our dedicated experience speaks for itself, a reputation for our honesty, excellence, strength and affordability. We run a 24-hour roofing care service with a free no obligation call out and estimate. We carefully acknowledge the feedback from our customers in improving the value of the services we provide, whatever the location, whatever the job. Allguard Roofing will always be there for you to offer our fast and efficient roofing services. For further information, we can be contacted anytime. We are just a phone call away.